Hello everyone, welcome back to SAT Math Question of the Day. Here we go with our question of the day. Please read, pause, try it out, and we will try to do it. We'll offer hopefully we'll do it and maybe offer some other approaches. Okay, here we go. A box of candy, doesn't matter whether it's fruit, hopefully. It contains 50 candy pieces in 5 different colors. Okay. Willie opened the box and found that 22% of the candy pieces are purple. If the box Willie opened is representative of that particular brand of fruit candy, which of the following best estimates the total number of non-purple candy pieces in 36 boxes of the same candy? Okay, right. Wow, you did that fast. My God. So you could do it 2 ways. You could figure out how many are purple and then subtract, or you could take the complement to this. These are pretty far from each other. So you could almost say 80% are non-purple, right? Because 22% is close to 20, and these things are pretty far from each other.
Yeah.
So then 80% are not purple.
Multiply there by 50 times 36.
Right, yeah.
50. Now 50 times 36 equals 100.
We're on top of
times
each other.
18. That's 1,800. There are 1,800 candy pieces in total. And the 80 was close to 80% of that is like over here. Right. I just guessed that.
Very good, Seth. So let's do that a little slower. If the non-purple are what they call the complement, the difference between 100% and 22%, and then you look, the answers here are far from each other, so we can approximate it at 80. So it's 80%.
Well, it's exactly 78%.
Which is right, but we don't care about that. 0.8%, and now there are 50 candy pieces in each box, and there are 36 boxes, so you multiply this out. Everyone will have a calculator on the digital side, so you can either you can use a calculator or not, and you would get something near 1,400. So you don't have to do this problem exactly. So that's one. I mean, the other way to do it is to calculate what 22% is of 50, and then 36, and subtract it from 50 times 36. Right? You get this thing here, this big thing, and the answer is this big thing. Wait, I'm getting confused. Yeah, this big thing minus 50 times 36. It's better to do the complement, right? It's better to do the opposite of non-purple. It's better to do 80%. You get the number faster. This way you don't have to do an extra subtraction. But we'll see how they do it, right? It'll be interesting.
All right, let's see.
Now, percent questions are always sometimes intimidating. Percent means 22 out of 100. You think about it, right? 22 out of 100.
22% means 22%,
yeah. So you could also do it sort of as a proportion. You could think of it as a proportion. Right? You got 22 out of 100. 22 out of 100 are purple. And how many? These are the purples, right? And this is the total. So 22 purples out of 100 total. That's what 22% means. You want to know, let's say you want to know how many purples there are. There are X purples, and there are a total number of 50 times 36. So you can make a proportion. X is equal to 50 times 36 times 22 divided by 100. And that's how many purples.
That is a 36.
36, yeah. This is number of purples. So you can do it also as a proportion. What you're doing, you're extrapolating. This is a type of problem where you're extrapolating from a sample. Okay, so enough of that, right? We're done with this? Should we look and see how they do it?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, Seth's getting impatient.
I'm getting impatient.
But it looks nice out there. I like the way your shirt.
Oh, yeah.
I like the way your shirt blends with the color of your siding.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you noticed that, but it does.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how they do it. Let's see how we answer the question. Wow, 5 steps. Be careful. This question gives us information on purple, but they're asking us about non-purple. We can find the percent of non-purple candies in a single box and multiply it by that. Wow, so they do it the same way we did it. Wow, look at that. They went directly to the non-purple percent. Yep. They're doing it exactly. Because you have a calculator. So the whole population that's a fancy word for the total number of things you have. Now we can find the estimate, which is extrapolating from the estimate. And it's 80% of 1800, which is 1404. But it's no need to get the number 1404. You could do what we did. So, as usual with most of these questions, the operative word is best. In all these statistics questions, you'll almost always see the word best in either the question or the answer. Any thoughts? I think we're done, right?
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah, we're done. Okay, this wasn't too bad, just extrapolating. So, Seth's a PhD in math from MIT. He's Professor Emeritus from SUNY Albany in New York. Nice. In Albany, you can get a sense of the types of houses they have in Albany. There's a reflection of the houses in Seth's neighborhood in his window there. See that beautiful house there? And I live in Seth's brother. Yeah, there it is, right? Yeah, there it is, right? And I have a PhD in mechanical engineering. And we are here to hopefully show you different approaches and basically how to approach SAT math questions. And we also offer the suggestion if you're going to approach studying for the SAT, go to Khan Academy. And they have free courses online with just a load of questions, 600-700 questions on both the digital and non-digital SAT. So, if you please like us, dislike us, please give us comments. And if you have any SAT math questions, feel free to email them to us at satmathquestionoftheday@gmail.com. And we'd be more than happy to do one of those or whatever you send us online as we do our stuff. So that's it, right? Good. Okay, this was nice and short. Okay, everyone.
Okay, bye, everybody.
Great. Have a great day. Bye-bye.